Yo, dog, I gotta come shoot with you, man. I'm from the future.
You're funny.
Dude, no, man.
You're funny.
No, man, it's not a joke. Just teleport.
We're at the bank.
Yeah, now you believe me?
I hate to admit it, but I do.
I've been trying to tell you this whole time, but I haven't got the guts. Swear you won't tell anyone? I'll have to knock you out.
You got my word.
Dude, it's the cops! We gotta run! Yo, man, we gotta get in the chopper! What chopper? This one! Alright, let's go. Man, we're going down! We're going down! We can... Freeze, right where you are. Let's go. Come on. Now, to the ground. Come on. Let's go. To the ground. Hands on your back. On your back, not your head. That's better. Get over here. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Teleport. What? Whoa. When did someone invent something where you can teleport like that?